Hello, good morning. Today we are going to deal with null repertory. Its full name is Repertory of Heading Symptom of our Mathematica, which was given by Calvin B. Nurr. It was given by Calvin B. Nurr. See, it is the one of the example of Puritan group of repertories in our whole repertories are concerned. Now things come, what is Puritan group of repertories? See, Puritan is derived from pure. Puritan means those repertory in which prover's symptoms are written as it is. As we all know that for the construction of repertory, we break the symptoms systematically in scientific manner to arrange these symptoms into a particular pattern. In all repertory, this is synthesis of repertory, it is followed. But in Puritan group of repertories, symptoms of the provers are written in original language. As it is written. So there are two best examples of Puritan group of repertory. One is Nurr and second is Concordance. So Nurr repertory is the one of the example of Puritan group of repertories. Now, as far as Nurr repertory is concerned, it has total 48 divisions. I am telling you about the original Nurr repertory. It has 48 divisions and it is covering around 1232 pages. It is one of the general repertory, second important point. Then in this repertory, right, left, better, words are printed fully. It is not written in abbreviation form or in any code word. It is written fully. Right, left, better, words, it is written fully. Then rubric or heading of paragraph printed in bolder or blacker type. Another important symptom of Nurr repertory, if we see, the symptoms are arranged in two columns. Symptoms are arranged in two columns. As you can see, Nurr repertory, symptoms are arranged in two columns, one column and second column. Then come to the typography of Nurr repertory. See, typography of Nurr repertory is very important, which is oftenly asked in various examinations, whether it is PSCs, UPSCs, pre-PG, even BHMS exams, it is oftenly asked. Typography of Nurr repertory is very important. Now, what are the types of remedies are given? Generally 8 or 9 types of remedies are given in the Nurr repertory. We will take one by one. First is single line, then double line, then single heavy line and double heavy line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then another category which comes, that is theta. Then this category. Then he has given 3 dots. Then another category is small t, and another category which is last, and that is hand. So around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 categories are given in null repertory. Now we will see one by one what exactly it says. See, single line means lowest occasionally confirmed symptom. Lowest occasionally confirmed symptoms are denoted by single line. Then come to second line, 2 lines. It denotes more frequently confirmed symptoms. More frequently confirmed symptoms. Right? Now, next category, which is single heavy line. Single heavy line denotes symptoms verified by cures. Symptoms verified by cures are denoted by single heavy line, and double heavy line denotes symptoms repeatedly verified. It is denoted by double heavy line. So these 4 categories are covered. Now come to theta. What theta denotes? It denotes between cured symptoms and pathological conditions. Right? Now this category belongs to symptoms observed only in sick. Symptoms observed in sick. Right? Now again, these 3 dots indicate observation taken from old school. Observation from old school. Now last 2, T denotes with toxicological symptoms. Toxicological symptom, and hand denotes with cross reference. Hand denotes with cross reference. So this is the typography which is given in the null repertory. So single line, double line, single heavy line, double heavy line, theta, pi, 3 dots, T and hand. These are the total typography of the null repertory which is given in the null repertory. Apart from this typography, in this repertory, supplements, and it is supplemented by complete index with localities and terms. Right? There are 48 divisions, as I told you before, 48 divisions or 48 sections, and last 48 section relates with the drug relationship. In this last 48 division, drug relationships are given. In this drug relationship, antidote, compatible medicines, complementary, inimical, similar, all these kinds of medicines are given. So these are the salient features of the null repertory. If we see little bit in its history, there are some people who helped null for the construction of null repertory, and these people are, we can say, Dr. Joseph C. Gunse, then W.H. Philip, Messrs. Doughty, Ziegler, Anfield, Bayard Brothers. Then for skillful management, if we see, then credit goes to Bretzel, etc. So these are the people who helped NER to construct the repertoire. So this is all about the NER repertoire. Especially typography of NER repertoire is very important. If you know typography, then anyhow in any examination these questions come for the Viva. You can secure good marks if you know the typography of NER repertoire. So this is all about NER repertoire. Thank you very much.